हेलो एवरीवन। आप सभी ने सुना होगा कि दुनिया में भांति भांति के प्राणी होते हैं जो अपने सपनों को साकार करने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, और होना भी चाहिए क्योंकि ज़िंदगी एक ही मिली है। ऐसे में कुछ छूट ना जाए, ये सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। ऐसे में आज एक ऐसी ही शख्सियत से हम आपको मिलवाएंगे जिन्होंने अपने सपनों को साकार करने के लिए काफ़ी चुनौतियों का सामना भी किया, और आज वो एक ऐसे मुकाम पर है जिसे देखकर अब हर लड़की चाहती है कि काश हम भी कुछ ऐसा कर पाते। ये काश वर्ड ना रह जाए, इसलिए इन शख्सियत से मिलवाने के लिए आज हम आपके साथ जुड़े हैं। बिल्कुल, हमारे साथ आज निधि कुरियन है। अब आप सोचेंगे कि ये निधि कुरियन कौन है, तो हम आपको बता दें कि ये सोलो ट्रैवलर हैं जो जगह जगह ट्रैवल करती हैं और ये कोशिश करती हैं लोगों को समझाने की और बताने की कि लड़कियां अकेले ट्रैवल कर सकती हैं और उन्हें किसी तरह की दिक्कत नहीं होती। तो निधि कुरियन हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, चलिए सीधा उन्हीं के पास चलते हैं। हेलो निधि, हम अभी यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं पंजाब में, तो सवाल सबसे पहले यही रहेगा कि पंजाब कैसा लगा, लेकिन उससे पहले निधि हम जानना चाहेंगे, टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, अबाउट योर फैमिली, अबाउट योर ट्रैवल।
Yeah, sure. Hi, hello, myself, I am Nidhi Kurian. I'm coming from Kerala, it's South India. I reside in Kerala, Kochi. I'm working as a script associate in Kochi only. So I work in movie production house, and that's all about me. So I'm a bit crazy traveler. I love to travel. So this time I planned to travel solo all over India. So I thought how much India is safe for a woman to travel alone. So I thought of traveling all over India alone in my small car. It's a quick car. So that's all about what I plan for a travel in India. And this is my 73rd day. This is my 73rd day I'm on road. Literally what I say, like life is in road. So
Nidhi, do you get support from your family, from people?
yes, of course, because it's like a journey for 100 days, and it's very hard for me to leave my family behind. I didn't quit my job, but I need to get a leave from my office, and also I get they were very supportive. My family, my friends, my parents, my husband, kids, everyone was very supportive, and also my office was also very supportive.
So how many cities you covered till now? Means how many states, how many cities, and which is the most beautiful city? You have to say this because you are travel alone. So safety is the most thing, I think. So tell me something about this.
Actually, see, India is incredible. We cannot tell that this city is more beautiful, that city is more beautiful. It depends. Really, it depends, because every city matters. There is a hidden gem in every cities, every state. There is a hidden gem. So it's like a travel that I'm exploring everything. That is the culture, food culture, historical important things, that the monuments and the village life. Especially, I would I wandered through the villages only. I didn't went much to the public places because this is a COVID time, and also I want to see the village life of the woman, especially women. So that's why I'm roaming around.
How many cities you covered?
Actually, I covered 14 states till now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of problem you are facing during the travel, like weather or staying problem? Main is the stay. How, matlab, where do you stay when you are traveling, and what kind of problem you are facing?
Actually, the problem is night drive is not at all advisable for even for men or for women, because every downtowns are not safe. Literally, I say it's not safe. So the main concern is we have to take all the safety precautions. We have to plan for the routes. We have to plan for the stay accommodation. We have to plan for the destinations we are going, the villages we are seeking. So we have to the safety concern is more important, because I have to go to my home. My home is calling. My kids are waiting. So we have to take care.
About your expenses?
Actually, it took 3 years for me to come to the point that I have to travel. So I managed. I took loan. I had I had chitties. So it's not a very big deal, you know, if we love to travel, like as Paulo Coelho say, if we love something very much, even the even the nature will support us, no? Yeah.
ट्रैवलिंग प्लान वैसे बहुत एक्साइटेड है बट इज इट योर ड्रीम और योर पैशन?
It's my passion become my dream. That should I say, because I love to travel. So especially I love to travel solo, because during the solo travel only we recognize people, we recognize ourselves, recognize the soul of ourselves. So actually the passion become my dream. So
what is your next destination?
next I'll be going from Punjab to Haryana, and from Haryana to Delhi I'll be heading to Rajasthan. So I'll be in Rajasthan for 1 week, more than 1 week. I'll be going through the villages, important temples, and I'll be going to Ajmer. And from there I'll be heading to Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and from the Mumbai, Pune, then Karnataka, back to Kerala.
Okay. Do you want give some messages to the women?
Yes, of course. Like, even for a woman, it's very. India is very incredible, and you have to explore all the places in India. And traveling makes us more generous, makes us courage. So, if you want to being a good being, you have to travel more. You have to explore more. You have to explore the people. You have to explore the culture differences, everything. So, traveling makes us more. Like a bold and beautiful person.
Okay. Any tips for the women which they can follow during the traveling?
First of all, I would like to advise that the safety matters. Definitely, you can travel by the public transport itself, but you have to plan for a travel. You have to take all the safety concerns. You have to plan everything. You have to plan where you are going to stay, where you are roaming around. Even if it is a solo trip, you have to plan very well, because night is not at all safe for a woman to travel. So I advise everyone to plan accordingly. Then you can explore more.
Okay, Nidhi, what is the main purpose of your traveling? Is it all about women's safety?
Yeah, it's all about how far India is safe for a woman to travel alone. Because traveling makes us more generous. Traveling helps us to explore the world. If we have to travel, no. So, for a lady who is traveling from South India, from Kerala, a state like Kerala. So I'm heading from Kerala. I don't know the languages, because I'm passing through all the states like Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Nepal, everything, everywhere I'm going. So language is a barrier. So for me, even though the language is a barrier, I have to travel, no? So that the message is how far it is safe. That's why I'm exploring.
Do you want to share something story, something exciting?
Yes, of course, because you can guess that all these 73 days I'm traveling all alone, exploring the villages, and it's been a very crazy experience. I would like to share. Like, it was very nice. Even I went for a trekking in Danauti. I had all the adventures. I like paragliding. I had parasailing. I went for river rafting in Manali. So it was very adventurous also. And the villages also, I explored many hidden villages like the perfume cities of India, the food villages, and the craft villages, the tribal areas. It's everything very crazy. Yeah.
How it feels when you meet some new people? Do you make some new friends?
Yes. Because I was staying with my family friends. I'm staying with some hostels like Sostel and all. So I met new people, and the main thing is that they are also travel wanderers. So there will be a positive connection between the travelers, you know. So I meet new people, I meet friends, I'm in touch with them. Even though I even invited them to come to Kerala so that they can explore Kerala also.
Nidhi, last message for our viewers.
See, I always wanted to tell people that you have to travel more, because traveling makes us more courageous, more generous, and also more bold and beautiful also. Because we are meeting many positive people. We are meeting the villages, traditions, food cultures, everything is new experiences only. So the life is very short, है ना? So you have to explore, you have to live to the fullest.
तो ज़िंदगी बहुत छोटी है जनाब, तो जितना आप एक्सप्लोर करेंगे उतना ही आपके लिए अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि सब कुछ देखना चाहिए कि हम कैसे रहते हैं, कहाँ रहते हैं। इंडिया बहुत खूबसूरत है, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है। तो जैसा कि निधि हमारे साथ जुड़ी थी और उन्होंने खुद ने बताया कि किस तरीके से वो नए लोगों से मिलती है, नई जगह पर जाती हैं, तो उन्हें कितना अच्छा महसूस होता है। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है जो उन्होंने टिप्स भी दिए कि सेफ्टी का ध्यान तो रखना होता है, लेकिन ऐसा भी नहीं है कि हमारा देश इतना ख़राब है कि यहाँ पर लड़कियाँ अकेले निकल नहीं सकती, या अकेले बाहर नहीं जा सकती। तो आप भी बाहर जाइए, घूमिए फिरिए, और निधि ने जो कुछ भी मैसेज दिया है, जिस तरह की भी टिप उन्होंने दी है, उसे ज़रूर फॉलो कीजिए। और आप देखिएगा दुनिया बहुत खूबसूरत है, अगर आप बाहर निकलेंगे तभी समझ पाएंगे। कैमरा पर्सन शशिपाल के साथ मैं पल्लवी राजपूत, ANB न्यूज़।
देश दुनिया की खबरों के लिए ANB न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं।